Maybe you love cars, but are you top-notch when it comes to automotive? Some people find it tedious to know how cars work, how to maintain them, how much the cost of their repair is, and more. But today, we have put together some fascinating trivia about car history that may leave you amused and amazed. Let's introduce to everyone's favorite form of transportation. Number 1. What was the first car to be mass-produced? When was the first car made? The answer is the Ford Model T. The Ford Model T, invented by Henry Ford and the first sold in 1908, was the first mass-produced car. Its reliability and robustness enabled it to produce up to 10,000 cars a day during the peak of production. In 1927, the Ford T model had built 15 million cars already, a record number. Until 1972, it was overtaken by the Volkswagen Beetle. Next question. What is the oldest car company still in business today? Correct. Mercedes-Benz is the oldest car manufacturer in the world that are still strongly in business today. The innovative and evaluation spirit of the founders keeps their designs pushing the limit of style and technology. Today, Mercedes-Benz is known for its wide range of luxury cars and high-performance cars. Number 3. When was the first documented car accident? Here comes the answer. 1819 first. The world's first car accident happened in Ohio City, which is home to many firsts in automotive history. While the damage from the first accident was minimal, it gave Lambert, the driver, some ideas to implement some safety procedures, such as installing doors on the car, and he also patented over 600 innovations within the automotive industry. Thus, there is no doubt that our world may not have developed without taking this strange risk. Sadly, car accidents claim many lives every year until now. Any type of car crash can do serious damage to your vehicle or you and cause lasting, life-changing injuries. In order to better protect you and your family from serious car accidents, please take extra precautions, slow down, and stay aware of both your surroundings and other drivers. Number 4. What year was the first national speed limit enacted? The answer is 1974. Although prior to 1974, United States set speed limit sign within their borders, highway speed limit sign range from 40 to 80 mph. But that changed because of the conflict between Arab and Israel in 1973. This led to the President Nixon signing the Emergency Highway Energy Conservation Act in 1974, lowering all the national highway speed limits to 55 mph, which was considered a more fuel-efficient driving speed, and this also lowers the traffic fatality rate in the United States. Number 5. What's the most stolen car in America? The answer is Honda Accord. The Accord is one of the most stolen cars in the U.S. According to the most stolen cars from 2010 to 2020, the total number of theft was 51,000, even more. The reason is that Accord is known for its high resale value and parts reliability, so it is a popular choice for many drivers, but also a target for thefts. Accord owners should take extra precautions to protect their cars, like steering wheel locks or brake locks. Fortunately, most cars in the late 90s had anti-theft technology as standard, using an anti-theft device for aid protection while parking can also give owners more peace of mind. Alright, are these trivia giving you surprises? Leave comments below to let us know which one you feel most amused and surprised. Then let's continue to the question number 6. How often is a car stolen in the United States? The answer is every 42 seconds. Wow, that's an interesting statistic. In fact, car theft can happen anywhere, not just in the US. According to the statistics, the rate of vehicle theft in metro areas is significantly higher than in surrounding areas. With the advancement of technology, the tactics of thieves have become more and more sophisticated. Usually, 1/3 of the stolen cars cannot be repaired even after they are found. Next, number 7. Which Mercedes-Benz concept car featured a joystick instead of a steering wheel? The answer is Mercedes-Benz F200. Cars have been reimagined and reinvented all the time. The F200 imagination replaced the traditional steering wheel with a joystick controller that can grab and point where place you want to go. Steering, braking, and throttle are controlled with a joystick. Also, no pedals are required. Alright, as ridiculous as it seems, there have been many interesting concept cars in the past that led the gamer eager to try them. But in the end, the Mercedes-Benz F200 didn't catch on and was not in full production or running on the road. Next, let's see what did drivers use to steer their vehicles before the steering wheel was invented. The answer is a tiller. Did you know that the first car didn't have a steering wheel? Then you must be wondering how they control the direction of the car. In 1886, Mercedes-Benz patent motor wagon used a tiller to drive the vehicle. After that, the steering wheel was not invented until 1894. For about 60 years, the steering wheel, in addition to controlling the direction, also provides a horn and adds airbags and so on. In 1960, some manufacturers began to fitting buttons and evolved into multifunction steering wheels. It's essentially what cars are now. Number 9 question. Which was the first product manufactured by BMW? The answer is aircraft engines. Are you have a passion for BMW? The company began producing aircraft engines in 1913. A straight-six aircraft engine called the BMW Illa. It wasn't until 1933 that BMW released its first automotive straight-six engine. Before World War II, aircraft engines, motorcycles, and automobiles both would be BMW's main products. Next, which icon car manufacturer also made in airplane engines? The answer is Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce has been known for manufacturing fighter airplane engines since World War II. The engines are durable whether military planes, private jets, or airliners. Until now, they are still building them for civil aviation. Of course, you may say, there are other automotive manufacturers producing products that take to the skies. As mentioned before, BMW was originally a manufacturer of aero engines. Mitsubishi built the Japanese Zero fighters in World War II, etc., etc. They are all interesting and worth exploring history. Of course, there is one more car manufacturer who is expert in producing fighter planes as well. Comment below if you happen to know the answer. Apart from these interesting trivia, as a car owner, While it's complicated to know everything about your car, there are some basics you should know to help you feel more at ease. Here are 5 things you should know before you drive. First is the VIN. The VIN code is a combination of 17 English letters and Arabic numbers. Any car brand has its unique VIN number, just like the ID card each of us. If you want to buy a car or buy parts for it, you can use your VIN to find information. Number 2, the car model. The model of the car includes the year, the brand. It is possible to know the fluids, parts, and accessories used to repair and maintain the car, so it is important to have accurate information. Number 3, maintenance schedule. Properly maintain your car is the key to keeping it top shape. It can also help to keep you, your passengers, and other drivers safe. The suggested maintenance information in the owner's manual is essential for the health and well-being of your car. Number 4 is the tire pressure. While keeping a spare tire in the car is one of the basic things every car owner should know. On top of that, knowing how to maintain the tire pressure in the car helps reduce tire wear and also prevent the danger. The last, the engine light. When the car's check engine light comes to the dashboard, it's a signal from the car's engine computer that something is wrong. Please have it checked by the nearest professional mechanic as soon as possible. Ignore this warning. You may damage expensive components eventually. In addition, you must be aware of basic maintenance on a regular basis to ensure that your new car will last a long time. Follow our official website to receive more maintenance tips to avoid mechanical problems at times. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And remember to share this information to your friends who need it. Thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos in the future. Once again, thanks for staying with us till the end. Adios.